welcome to my vlog guys. Today we are opening 3 dinosaur egg and one of these rare summer egg. Let's open the dinosaur egg first. What we will get. Chula guys. So what's that? I think it's I don't know. This guy. I wish I will get seal in this orangutan again. What did I get? The first one. Where's that? Where are you? Sorry guys, it's so lag. Because someone is leaving the server. Oh, a raptor. This comment your username. I will give away some pets. Bye guys.